let us solve this average problem. The problem says that the average of ages of 10 students increases by 2 years when the teacher's age is included. If the teacher is 36 years old, what is the average age of the 10 students? Can I take the average age of 10 students? What if I take it as, because this is what we need to find out, is X years, right? And you know that average is equal to sum divided by number. So can I say that sum is going to be average into number? How many children are there? 10 students are there, right? And their average age is X years. So total age of, so can I say that total age of 10 students, this certainly is going to be what? 10x years. And then we need to include the age of the teacher here. So total age of, I would say, teacher and students collectively, that should be 10x. 10x is the total age of 10 students, and the teacher is 36 years old. So this is going to be the total 36 years, isn't it? Now, as per the problem says that when teacher's age is included, the average increases by 2 years. So what is going to be the average of 11 people? I would say 11, which is 10 students plus 1 teacher. And if you take that into consideration, what is going to be happening? It is X plus 2 years, isn't it? X plus 2 years. And if that is the case, average of 11 people is X plus 2. What is going to be their total sum? What is that we are learning? Total sum should be equal to average into number. So X plus 2 years is the average into there are 11 people. So what are we learning here? We are learning very simply that this value and then this value, these two must be the same, isn't it? और अगर ऐसा है तो इसको वैल्यू निकाल देते हैं यहाँ से. So 10x plus 36 should be equivalent to 11 times x plus 2. So 10x plus 36 should be 11x plus 22. So the value of x, if you find out, it is coming out as 14, isn't it? What is going to be the average age of the 10 students? It is 14. Isn't it simple, right?